What's up, creators? It's your boy, Mad Mike. Behind us is our Pontiac Fiero Ferrari KitCar project, and on today's episode, I'm going to show you guys the results that we got from our DIY budget paint job. So you're going to want to stay tuned and check it out.
If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. Ha! Dare to be you. This world is just a canvas to our imagination. Turn a figment of your mind into creation.
Alright guys, so this here is my 1985 Pontiac Fiero Ferrari KitCar project. It's a replica of a Koenig Ferrari Testarossa, and we just laid down a $160 budget paint job. I showed you DIY how to do it at home. So let's go ahead, we'll peel off the plastic and give you guys a glimpse of the results that you can get from doing a paint job at home. Oh yeah, I am super stoked with the way that this thing turned out. It definitely looks a little orange on camera. I'll try to edit the video so you guys get a better idea of what the red looks like. The paint is a single stage paint and it's Viper Red. I absolutely love the Viper Red color. If you guys are looking for a nice red to put on your project car, I highly suggest the Viper Red. In person, it's so vibrant. It definitely looks orange on camera, but in person, it's a really, really nice red. So let's do a little tour, walk around of the car. I'll show you kind of the results that we got from doing the budget DIY paint job. I got a lot of parts on, so I'll kind of show you where I'm at with that. So let's go ahead, do a little tour. And there she is. Check that out, guys. This was $160 for all the paint, hardener, reducer to spray this car, and you can't beat that. For under $200, look at the results you get, guys. If you check out my other video, I'll show you how I did the paint job. There's the back end of the car. It came out so glossy for single stage paint with no clear coat. So we got the rear grille installed. I'm probably gonna be spraying the bottom side of this satin black as well. And then we got our rear grille here, the Testarossa grille that'll go in once I wire up our taillights. Gonna have to spray all that black as well. But yeah, guys, the bumper turned out just mint on this. Got all the exhaust done. We got a rear diffuser to install. We got chassis mount wing as well. Huge chassis mount wing, carbon fiber wing that we're gonna have to reinstall. So that'll be fun to put that back on the car. But overall, I am stoked. We got the rims and tires back onto the car. So these are 15-inch, super, super deep dish tires. That is insane, guys. That's my hand right there. You can just see how deep that dish is. And the tires are, I think, 265s on the rear. They're super, super wide. But I would love to do like a 295 or maybe even bigger than that if I can. The front rims are on as well. And they are looking crispy with the red paint. The gold, the chrome, it just really goes well with the whole theme of the car. So what it is a Ferrari Testarossa that this company Koenig took, made it wide body, made it twin turbo, and did some different things. Like they added these scoops, kind of like the F40s have. The front headlights are different. They kind of have more of the GT style front headlights on them, like you see there, and the front bumpers are a little bit different as well. So it's not a Testarossa replica if a lot of you think that that's what it is. It's a Koenig Specials, and the Koenig Specials actually has this style of rim and tire on it as well. I'll post a picture here so you guys can get an idea of what I'm replicating, and you can look at this and you can see how close of a match it actually is. Look like Tom Green. I need to give myself a shave and a haircut, I think. A few other goodies that we got bolted on are these canards, kind of some arrow that I built. These are all aluminum, and they're originally polished aluminum that I did a how to make canards video. So if you want to know how to make these, just go back in my videos and you'll see exactly how I made these. It was pretty straightforward. We got them painted black. We got them bolted on. You can see just how nice everything looks, and I think it really adds to the front end of this car. Without it, it was a little too much red, and it still looked good, but I really think that this gives it more of a race kind of vibe, especially once we have the chassis mount wing and the rear diffuser all mounted up. It's gonna really come together. So we got the headlight covers back in. These need to be polished up. They're just Lexan covers, and the headlights still need to go in. This is a full tilt front end. So I'm starting to work on the interior as well. We got the door panels that are covered in leather. They're ready to go back in. On the inside here, we have the red seats and all the interior panels. I'm gonna have to pull all these out, just do a good cleaning and then reinstall everything nicely. I got the black carpet all back installed. So the door jambs, everything are painted. We're gonna do some floor sill plates down here. So yeah, the interior is coming together. We're gonna put all those panels in, and we got a big box of goodies here. I got the taillights, wipers, the headlights. So we'll clean all that stuff up and start putting it all back in. But overall, I'm super stoked with all the results of this paint. It was a single stage paint that we used. Again, for all you guys that wanna know, Viper Red. This is the reducer, and this is the hardener. So if you wanna know how to spray your car at home DIY, go back to my other videos and you'll find it. It's called How to Paint Your Car. Budget, DIY budget paint job. Turns out freaking awesome. So I know this is gonna be a little bit of a shorter video today, but I've made a commitment to myself to upload a video every Wednesday at 9 o'clock. So I'm gonna keep up on that train because I'm gonna be taking a week off during Christmas time, and we're gonna be finally bolting everything back onto the car and pulling it out so we can pull the next project in. What is the next project? Well, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And if you're an OG to the channel, you know that I'm working on a 1974 Plymouth Cuda. I said it, we got a Cuda coming in the shop next. I'm gonna be doing an AAR conversion to it. We're gonna be painting it sublime green. So make sure to subscribe if you wanna see that. But yeah, next week we're gonna be getting a lot done on this car, so we'll have more of like some installation of the chassis mount wing, the diffuser, the interior, and we'll go ahead and we'll pull it out of the shop to give you guys a glimpse of what it looks like outside. If you guys wanna see something specific, like me working on the cars and how I build things specifically, I can do that. Or if you guys just want to see kind of the end result, me doing a recap and talking about what I did, I can do that too. I know a lot of you guys want to see how I do things, and a lot of you guys don't want to sit there and watch how I do it, you just want to see the end result. So leave a comment below, let me know what you guys want to see on this channel, and we'll cater towards that. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys next time. Ciao, ciao.